Okay, out of 5 set of SLC question of 2072, this is one of the SLC question of 2072. Now I'm going to solve this numerical problem. The masses of Venus and Sun are 4.89 into 10 to the power 24 kg and 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg respectively. This is the mass of Venus, this is the mass of Sun. And distance between them is 1.072 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer. Find out the gravitational force between them. Gravitational constant is given. It is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. To solve this problem, at first I want to convert this language into mathematical form. I mean to say, the given informations I want to write. First, mass of Venus is given, that's why mass of Venus, it is denoted by m1. One of the mass will denote by m1, another mass will denote by m2. That's why this is m1 and this is equal to 4.89 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Now another mass is the mass of Sun. I am writing mass of Sun will denote it by m2. One of the mass is denoted by m1, another is m2. It is 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg. Now distance between them is also given. Look at the distance. Distance between them can be denoted by d, and this is equal to 1.072 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer. Now one point we have to remember that while solving numerical problem we are using SI system. That's why here it is kilometer. Kilometers should be converted into meter. So I am converting it into meter. 1.072 into 10 to the power 8. Kilometer can be converted into meter by multiplying it with 1000 and then it is converted to meter. Now this is equal to 1.072 into 10 to the power 8 and this 1000 is 10 to the power 3 and this is equal to 10 to the power 11 meter. Now after this, gravitational constant is also given in the numerical. That's why we are writing gravitational constant. Gravitational constant. And this gravitational constant is always denoted by G, capital G. And this is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Its unit is Newton meter square by kg square is given. Now all the given are written. Now the question is gravitational force. Here it is, find out the gravitational force. I am writing now gravitational force, and the force is denoted by F, this question mark. Now after converting all the information in mathematical form, now I am going to solve it. Now while solving this, we have to write first equation or the formula. We have the formula used is, we can use this formula, F equal to G m1 m2 by d square. Now value of G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. While solving the numerical problem, in the process we are not writing these units because it becomes a little difficult to go through units. So in the process it is not necessary to write unit. That's why I am writing just the number m1. M1 is given here into 4.89 into 10 to the power 24. Now in place of m2 we are writing 2 into 10 to the power 30. It is given here, m2 is 2 into 10 to the power 30. Now in denominator we have 1.072 into 10 to the power 11. Distance d. Distance is given 1.702 into 10 to the power 10 to the power, here it is 8 big because this kilometer, but 10 to the power 11 we have converted, we already converted it into meter. This much meter whole square. Now we have to multiply number with number, and the power of 10 will process with power of 10. I'm going to multiply 6.67. Look at this, 6.67 into 4.89 multiplied by 2 whole equal to 65.2326. Here it is 65.2326 into, now power of 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 24 into 10 to the power 30. Now in denominator, 1.072 square means 1.072 multiplied by 1.072. This is equal to 1.14984. And look at this, 10 to the power 11 square means 11 2s are 22. That's why this is equal to 10 to the power 22. While solving numerical problem, these numbers should be divided by number and power of 10 should be divided by power of 10. That's why 65.2326 is divided by now 1.14984, and this is equal to 56.76. 56.76 into, now 10 to the power minus 11, here also 10 to the power 24 plus 24 into, plus 30. And if 10 to the power 22 is taken to the numerator, we will write 10 to the power minus 22. These numbers have same base, that's why power should be added, and so we are adding power. All the numbers are now in numerator, and this is equal to 56.76 into 10 to the power 21, 24 plus 30 minus 11 is equal to 43. And if we take this in the same time, minus 22, this is equal to 21. That's why 10 to the power 21 is the answer. And since force is measured in Newton, the answer should be in Newton. But this number is really written as 5.676. Usually we write decimal point after one digit. That's why it will be better to take this point to this place. And so if we take one digit back, then we must multiply it by 10 to the power 1. And here 10 to the power 21 is also here. That's why we have F is equal to 5 point. It will be better to use 2 digits after the decimal point. These 2 digits after this 2 digit, third one is if 5 or more than 5, then 1 can be added to second digit. So we can write 5.68 into 10 to the power 21 plus 1 means 22 Newton. This is our final answer.